Samsung had launched the Galaxy S10 5G variant along with the rest of the Galaxy S10 phones at the Galaxy Unpacked event last week. Apart from the upgraded 5G chip, the phone incorporates a larger display, is heavier than the other three variants, comes with a quad camera setup, and packs a bigger battery. Here's a first look. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G will improve upon the network speeds thanks to the Qualcomm X50 5G modem integrated alongside the chipmaker's Snapdragon 855 processor. At the event, the company said that the 5G variant is capable of downloading a full TV show season in minutes, play graphic-heavy cloud games with virtually no lag, and support real-time 4K video calls as well. It is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of inbuilt storage, which is not expandable via a microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy S10 5G comes with a larger display than the other three phones. It sports a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus curved dynamic AMOLED display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G is also different, and it sports an additional 3D depth sensor with an HQVGA resolution. The other three sensors are identical to what's integrated on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This comprises of a 12-megapixel 45-degree telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture that's paired with another 12-megapixel 77-degree wide-angle camera with dual PDAF and a variable aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. Finally, there's a 123-degree ultra-wide 16-megapixel fixed focus camera with f2.2 aperture. You get up to 2x optical zoom from the rear cameras along with 10x digital zoom. On the front, the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G bears a 10-megapixel dual-pixel autofocus camera with an f1.9 aperture and 80-degree lens. There is a second front camera, once again a 3D depth camera with an HQVGA resolution. The Galaxy S10 5G isn't expected to launch until later this year with no specific timeline announced by Samsung. For more information on the Galaxy S10 range, we have this first look video for you. If you want to see what comes in the box of the Galaxy S10 Plus, then you should check this video out as well. Thanks for watching.